Good morning. It is about 6:30 in the morning on the last day of 2024. It's New Year's Eve. We are currently sailing north of San Juan, Puerto Rico, heading towards St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands. And it's a beautiful morning, nice and warm. Not too rough seas. A little windy though, so it's making the boat a little rocky this morning. But yeah, we're going to have a beautiful sunrise here in probably about 15-20 minutes, so looking forward to that. We do have one ship off in the distance, I'll show you here in a second. And we're following a couple other ships that are going to San Juan right now. They're going to peel off and head down to San Juan. We're going to continue on to Charlotte Amalie. Well, good morning.
Hello.
It is about 9:15 this morning. We're finally both awake. I went back to sleep after seeing the early morning sunrise almost come up. And Sleeping Beauty here finally woke up at about 9 a.m. We're going to go to breakfast now before Taste closes, so let's get going.
Look what I found! Look what I found! Look what I found! So excited!
Hi, I'm Matthew.
And I'm Susan. Together we love to travel.
One of our favorite places to be
is aboard a Norwegian ship at sea.
good food, drinks, and friends.
Make a relaxing trip indeed,
So come along with us.
as we let the sea set us free.
We're here for breakfast at Taste, and yes, we made it just in time.
And where are we?
Oh, middle of the fishbowl, of course. Breakfast starters have arrived. I got the stewed prunes and the yogurt parfait. Matthew got the fruit salad. Main course for breakfast has arrived. I got the Belgian waffle with whipped cream and sugar syrup. I also got bacon and ham on the side. Matthew ordered a ham, cheese, and mushroom omelet with bacon, sausage, grilled tomato, and potatoes on the side. Hello. So we are going to be late getting into St. Thomas because of one reason or another.
Due to our late departure from Puerto Plata yesterday in the late excursions.
So we are not going to go to Megan's Bay. Instead, we're just going to do the Skyride up to Paradise Point. So right now we're working on getting shore excursion tickets since we're still trying to make our way to St. Thomas.
Yep, we won't arrive until like 1:15, so getting everybody else in our group squared away. And then we'll be good to go, and everybody will have a great time up there, and it's always great views from the top, so.
Time to pivot.
Yep, exactly. Okay, so we have the U.S. Virgin Islands in sight. You're seeing a couple of the smaller islands, and then the taller one is St. Thomas.
The new deal is outside your door.
Enjoying your tea?
Yes.
Is it calming your stomach?
Trying to.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living
Okay, so we're up here in the buffet for a quick lunch, and I got a burger, some fries, some cheese and meat, a slice of pepperoni pizza, a quesadilla, and a side salad.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who
for my lunch, I got mac and cheese, Hawaiian pizza, and a large side salad. We are pulling into Charlotte Amalie and St. Thomas right now, and it's going to be just a few more minutes because they got to secure the lines, get the stuff out, but we are here and it looks like a beautiful day.
Okay, so we're ready to roll out. We're going to go meet Lisa, Gary, and Jamie at least to head into St. Thomas to go to Paradise Point. So let's get going. Okay, so we have arrived in St. Thomas and we are on the ground here at Havenside Mall and are making our way to the tram to Paradise Point.
We're here at Paradise Point, gonna ride the Skyride. Once you get up here to the ticket window, if you have a shore excursion ticket from the ship, you do not have to stop at their window. The gal here just gave us our bracelet in exchange for the shore excursion ticket from the ship. Easy peasy. All right.
Let's do this. NCL.
Okay, we're heading up the gondola. You guys ready for this?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Oh, there was a door. I'm shutting it.
Watch yourself.
This thing spirals. All right.
Yeah, it caught me off guard too.
It's a holiday feeling. Look, I got a window.
I just have news for you. Jared would never do this.
Oh no, he is definitely afraid of heights.
I am too. I'm not a big fan of these, but I'm here.
Beautiful. And I got out and took the camera and I was on the edge and he's like, get that. He's got it. I did not even know you were friends.
I've done this. Can you tell them to Wood Forest in Northern California.
It gets better up top.
It gets way better at the top.
Yeah.
We're swaying to and fro.
Take a deep breath. Breathe easy. It's not the height, it's the swing.
As we are swaying. Jamie's room is
Back, right?
Yeah, I'll be back.
pretty legit.
Is it? Yeah, they said they had a good time on the water side.
Oh, yeah. It can stay over there, too.
There's another cruise ship.
Yep.
Yes.